Welcome back, fellas, into this new video to Express. Today, let's get started and understand how to use Gemini using your actual Gmail. So, if you're still tackling the flooded email inbox by reading every single message line by line, I'm going to be focusing in Google Gemini model to help you for a personal account or workspace attire. So, first of all, I'm going to locate and activate my Gemini panel. So when you open your Gmail inside your browser, you can click into the gear icon, the pinning gear into the actual settings, and you can scroll under the general tab and ensure that the smart feature and personalization are checked. When you go directly into all the settings, you can scroll down inside the general section. You can see that inside here you should see that the smart personalization has not been correctly added. Now if it doesn't appear, it's because we now have the option into the upper side. I'm gonna just go and scroll a little bit upper, and you have now the actual element that says try Gemini. So Gemini can be helping you, of course, to automate thread summaries, so it can tackle the actual email threads when you open any conversation containing more then 3 or 4 messages. You will notice as a clean summarize the actual email. So for example, if I hit into the element that says try it out, this is going to be sending me directly into the Google One plans in order to have access directly to my actual Gmail and the actual Gemini. And you might be wondering, well, what happens if I open any tab directly into Google Gemini and ask itself and if it could be connected directly with my actual Gmail? For example, can you connect to my Gmail to start working? I'm going to send this to the specific flash, and the actual answer is that they can be having access directly into my actual Gmail to find specific information or context for my actual project. So they don't browse or monitor the emails automatically into the background. So whenever we're ready, we're going to go, for example, check my recent emails from, I'm going to just copy and paste, for example, this specific prompt. So let's say check my recent emails from, I'm going to head back and look out for a station, for example, station for updates. So what's going to happen here is that the actual Gemini is going to be making the actual connection really fast between my actual Gmail. How does the actual Gmail was connected without having to access first? Well, if you already noticed directly into the left corner, we have this specific Gmail that we currently are signed in. So that means that when I sign in with my Gmail, I already have access to my account, to my Google Drive, to my business profile, the Gmail, YouTube, Gemini, Maps, and all of these tools that the actual Google has to offer to us. If you wanted to work with Gemini in the same tabs, you can make drafts, plan projects, generate original images, and start and haste meetings into Meet. You can get this all access with the actual Gemini Pro with the more capable of the AI models into more storage elements. So to master the help me guide and contextual replies, for example, you can get it when it's time to reply, for example, and you don't have time to focus on, let's say, for example, that you get in a specific email. So I got in my last email a submission, so I want to reply, but I did not know how to get started. So basically it will be helping you, of course, to making the actual connection between the Gmail and the Gemini. The only thing that is not that good is that you needed to, of course, to open Gemini outside your actual Gemini, and basically it can be helping you to make this process, but still you have to manually change between tabs in order to be helping with this process. Otherwise, if you want to still work with more tools, the Google One comes with an actual great plan that you can be trying it out. I believe that for a really low price, I believe that less than $20 per month for the next 2 months. So that's totally up to you if you want to try that out. A pro tip that I can give you, for example, is that deep workspace, because Gemini is unified with across Google architecture. You can use the inbox sidebar to cross-examine files, and you can focus for that directly into the side panel if you're willing to try the Gemini out directly for the Pro version. So to help you completely optimize your communication speed today, I've compiled these Gmail Gemini prompt. There's a lot of those. It can be featured for the top 10 advanced email generation, so you might want to be taking that in mind. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you want to see more great tools like this, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we can all see you guys well next time.